what is a conventional scraper? 651. This is it right here. This is a scraper getting loaded right here. The dirt going into his can, and then behind him you have a D10 with a push block. This is how scrapers get loaded. They don't have enough power to power themselves, so a bulldozer comes up behind them and pushes them, and then he'll hook up to me and we'll go about it that way. You can see how they get loaded, and then when it's full, the bulldozer helps push them backwards and forwards. Now, I hope this works. I hope you're able to see it. He's going to back up into us, and then I've got these three controls right here, and we'll go for a little ride. So he hooks onto my push block and starts pushing, and then we'll get loaded. You're supposed to load in neutral, but if you're good enough, you can do it without spinning the tires. This is the machine that you will start on. It has a brand new scraper hand. This will be the machine that you start on. It's a 651 scraper. It's the most economical way to move dirt today. And this is how you do it. So he's behind us pushing us right now. Work your can, your apron, and your ejector. I'll show you how the ejector works. Of course, I'm not getting a camera at the same time. But you'll see the dirt start billowing up. So you want to make sure you got a good heavy load. And then you'll pop your cushion hitch, put it in 8th gear, lift the can out of the ground, close your apron, and it's off to the races we go. So you click your clicker, because that's how they keep track of what you're doing. And then, boom. This is a super pepper. I don't know before. Super there, those are 627 scrapers, those are push pulls. Those have 2 motors apiece, and they connect to each other. The first one pushes, the second one pushes the first one, and then the first one pulls the second one. That's the cut. Right now. And there's another set. Push right now. Same process we just went through. Got it into the cut there. We got the plate working on locals for us. Water trucks out here, a couple of them. We're bringing the return to a 620 or an 825 compactor. This is how it goes. If you want to get into heavy equipment, this is the way you're going to do it. This is the machine to learn on. Yes, it's really this bumpy. It really is. So we're coming into the film. The 623 is out ahead of me. He just dumped his pile. And now we'll go. Turn the camera around again. Hopefully you guys can see this. I know it's super bumpy, but this is the way it works. So now you lower your can. I know, like I said, it's totally bumpy. But you can see the dirt coming out right there. Put it in thin lifts. This pad's got a bunch of fill. But if you're interested in learning how to run this, let me know. And I put together a group package, a PDF file for you on how to check your machine every morning. Let me know if the product, if it's too expensive. I'm thinking it's going to be for the price anyway. But this is what it's like. A bird's eye view, point of view on a conventional 651 scraper. This is the whole and never back at it to the cut again. This is all you do all day long. 10 hours of this. You're never too good just to run one of these, and I had that happen yesterday. I freaked out. I don't know why. Never got attacked before, but I had one yesterday. This is the machine you want to get good at, get proficient at, because this will pay your bills. If you can move dirt get in, put it in second gear. Drop the key, for God's sakes, because that's your parking brake. Take down your cushion hitch, open your door a little bit, and then again. Watch, one more time. This is how it happens, right here. This is the magic. This is the quickest way, most efficient way that contractors move dirt. Right there. So what is a 650 and a push cap? There's his push block.